everybody, it's phonics time again. I hope you've been practicing every day all of those new digraphs that you've been learning. Remember, we start with our song, so off you go. Well done. Okay, flashcards time now. I want to see you doing the actions with them as best you can. Okay, so first we've got E. What can you see? Ng. Thing on a string. I think I stink. A. Snail in the rain. Remember that tongue. Ch. Ch. Sh. Sh. S. Cut the grass. Muffin the puffin. O. Goat in a boat. Poo at the zoo. Jelly on a plate. Look at a book. Start the car. This week's sound, O. Remember that action. Toot the horn. And today's sound, look. This one. Fly high. Now, this one is a little bit different. It's not a sound on its own. It's not a digraph. It's a trigraph. That means 3 letters that make one sound. Can you say it? I. Now, we've learnt I in lots of different ways. Sometimes I is on its own, like a capital I. But this trigraph says the sound I. You say it? I. Fly high. There we are. I'll say the words with you. High. Night. You say it. Light. Fright. Bright. Sight. Might. Lots of difficult words there. But the more sounds that you learn all of the time, you will realise which I sound you get to use. Okay, let's have a look what we can do with them today. Add the sound buttons. Now, it's similar to when we do our digraph, but this time we need to put a line under the trigraph. So let's see the first word, high, high in the sky. I. You see that line under the I sound? Next one. Ooh. I. T. Light. Next one. I. T. Night. And the last one. I. T. Right. Well done. I hope you got those right. Okay, we've got some words to sort out. Now, this is a game that I put on last week, but you can always find it on Phonics Play with Ob and Bob. And remember, it's about the fake words and the real words. So we're going to sort them out. So the first word, night. Is it a real word or a fake word? Night. That's right. Let's see. We're going to put it with the real words. Well done. Next one. Z-I. Zai. Have you heard of that before? No, I haven't either. I think Ob wants that word. Next one. Right. Right. Have you heard of that before? That's right. Bob will like that one. And the last one. Oh, that sound. J-I. Jai. I've not heard of jai before. That's a fake word, isn't it? Jai. So we've made a list of the fake words and the real words. You could do that by making lots of different made-up words anytime. Okay, the last one. Hope you've got those reading eyes on. We're going to read this sentence, okay? First tricky word, the. You try it, the. Now we've just read this word, night. Night. The night is, should be recognising that one by now. The night is dark. Dark. Not. Not. Light. Light. Now let's check. Is that a super sentence? Has it got a capital letter? Yes, it has. Has it got finger spaces? Yes, it has. Has it got kinetic letters? Yes, it has. So remember, capital letter, finger space, kinetic letters, full stop. And there's our full stop at the end. So you practice writing those. I know this is all about reading, and in the next lesson we're going to have a go at writing them. So keep working hard, and I hope to see you all soon. Thank you.